Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hope you had a nice first half of the week. This is Own Wall Street with the tradersperspective.com. Looking at natural gas, starting off the analysis on the weekly time frame, just to show you where I think we're headed and when basically is the big question. So, weekly time frame, clear as day. You can see that we should be pushing up towards the 288 mark anytime now. The big question is when. So, the reason why I say that is let's go ahead and drop down to our 4 hour time frame. And as you can see, we had a pretty nice push to the upside here, but again, and as you'll see in line with the daily when I get there, we should be looking for a pullback to test the breakout around the 275.3 area. Could even see a more aggressive push back down to 272 briefly, but I think that we will end up holding above the 270. Let's call it 275.5 area or 275 area. Yeah, 2756. Let's call it that. So right above the downtrend line, let's keep it as simple as possible. Should bounce back off there and then start moving our way back up to test those 288s. So daily time frame, just to show you the weakness of the candle that we're looking at from today's price action. We had a pretty, some people might say this is a pretty nice strong day, but overall, usually this candle does forecast a reversal, at least for the near term, before we see another push to the upside to test those 288s. So that is exactly what I'm going to be looking for here. Otherwise, we may just see another push to the upside, which would be very unlikely in my honest opinion and experience. But that being said, in the event we did see some craziness and shoot upwards, then obviously 285 would be the next area to watch for some kind of resistance. Maybe a little bit of a pullback at that time, and then another move to the 288. But either way, the destination for me near term 288 before we do see another push to the 272s or even lower than that. But given the time of year that we're in, we are looking to basically range still continuously within this area. I'd say within 275 and around 288. If we happen to make it, above 288, then we can start looking at targeting the, threes and so on and so forth. But first things first, let's go ahead, test 288, see what happens there. Expecting a little bit of a pullback, and then maybe sometime next week or the week after, we'll end up trading back in this range once again before another rally attempt is had. So that's what I'm seeing for natural gas. I thank you all so much for watching. I wish you a green rest of the week, and I'll update you all on the weekend as usual.